How's it going, everyone? It's Alex here in Ultimate Slow Eagle, playing some more Ratchet and Clank Tools of Destruction. In the last video, we took care of the Creely Comet, fixed the Iris supercomputer. Also, I realized in that recording, I recorded while the batteries... Why? Recorded about a 30-40 minute recording on the other that I did last night, so that's why it took 2 recordings to finish a Creely Comet. It won't be the case this time around. I'll probably just do one recording right now and do another recording later. So today we're going to be looking at the Zordoom prison. I believe it's called Planet Visceron, whatever the hell it's called. We also got another planet and another gameplay of Clank in the last vid too. The Pyroblaster. It's a lot like the incinerator from Size Matters and Roster from the first game. That's good. Okay. Yeah, we took care of all the pirates, and I also got the other skill points and gold bolt afterwards as well. As you can see, 450,000 bolts, so we're pretty much stacked. We also upgraded to the Doom Blades recently, while fighting one of the boss fights. Yep. Okay, Planet Visceron, yeah. Ooh, that's a really dark looking level. Alright, 2 gold bolts here. Alright. I was thinking it had more, but I was probably thinking of something else. Okay. And Visceron has 2 skill points. So let's... Oh.
Ratchet, please understand. The Dimensionator must be destroyed.
Why? Because your imaginary friends told you so?
Ratchet? Clank? Did I call it a bad time?
No. The timing was perfect, Quark. Did you get the holographic schematics of Zordoom we asked for?
No need for holographs, Ratchet. I happen to be a skilled schematic artist, trained in the prestigious Kurwan Learning Annex. Behold!
As I said, Ratchet's kind of an asshole in this game.
Zordoom Prison. A dangerous dungeon of dastardly denizens, death and destruction. A deadly den of devious desperados damaged by decades of let's just say criminals. To infiltrate this fortified fortress of fear, our agent, codenamed Dead Meat, will make his way along the grind rail of certain death, traverse the walkway of tortured souls, and ascend the grav ramp into the mouth of the Jolly Jackal. While I direct the operation from my townhouse of solitude, our agent will jump down the elevator shaft to the lair of eternal sorrow. It is here he will be confronted by an army of Tachyon troopers, a battalion of embattled bandits, and an entire school of zombie ninja panda bears. Good luck, Dead Meat. May you die a glorious hero's death.
Oh yes. Oh, I love this weapon. The Negotiator. Oh yeah, I love this weapon. I'm so getting it. 250,000 bolts. I still got a lot of bolts, so... Okay. We're gonna go here first. Oh, scheiße, I almost died. I know this has nothing to do with the main level, but we're gonna go here because... Oh. Oh. Yeah. Holopod got stuck there. Telepod got stuck.
With a maintenance droid, please report to the sensory deprivation tanks in Sector 4. Maintenance droid to Sector 4.
Okay. I'll save my negotiator for like this one. What the hell's in here? I don't think so.
Will a maintenance droid please report
Oh.
to the Skydock for long rail repair? Maintenance droid to the Skydock.
Oh, gee, laser. Oh, gotta probably lift these up though. What's in here? More rare titanium. Nice. Oh. Oh, nice. That's gonna be useful.
Please take appropriate safety measures.
Yeah, gotta be quick.
Maintenance droid to security outpost
There we
G. Maintenance droid to security outpost
Nice
G.
and easy. No collectibles for me. My lucky day. Here.
Mechanic to the loading docks. Mechanic to the loading docks.
Okay. Bolt crank. What does that do? Okay. No, don't you dare.
Inmate number 394K. McGonagall. Crow. Please report to solitary confinement.
Okay. Time it. Alright. That was easy.
Will a paramedic please report to the cafeteria? A paramedic to the cafeteria. Scratch that. Will a coroner
Oh,
please
there's a
report
cop
to the
there. What
cafeteria?
the hell?
Coroner to the cafeteria.
Keep that there. And Viola, first gold bolt is mine. Alright. Nice. What's over here? What else can we find over here? Rare titanium. Nice. I'm gonna need that. Rare titanium here too. Awesome. Alright. Do the main part.
Alright, Chief. What can we do you for?
Alright. Let's see. Jesus. 1500. Go this for right now. I think that's still okay for right now. I'll upgrade it later. Still can't get any of that. Let's get that. Try to reach you now. with this Pyroblaster. We're going to use that. That was easy. That was easy enough. But we need to activate this cryptor. I know where this is going. And split ones, they're always going to add an extra voltage. Just most of the time, just ignore that voltage and keep going. Yeah, stabilized ball, I moved way too quickly. That's on me. Oops. I wasn't paying attention. Okay. Alright, we're good. This decryptor's not very difficult though, so inexcusable why I'm struggling with this one so much. Okay. Alright, we're upgrading now. Alright, grind rail.
As a reminder to all inmates, anyone caught mocking Emperor Tachyon's name or size will be immediately executed by firing squad.
Well, you don't have to worry about that. I worked with the Napoleon syndrome. I worked with the guy that had a Napoleon complex, so don't even worry about it.
Attention Terracons. We have just learned that your planet has been consumed in the beryllium supernova. Your sentences have been commuted, and you are free to wander the galaxy in search of a new place to live.
Well, what was the plan of saying? And we had a sense in the first place.
Please report to Sector 12 for transport.
Yo, they got some Cognito? Dude. Oh, now you're definitely gonna die. Oh, this guy's definitely gonna die now. Whose ever idea was it to have that so close to the end of the rail? I don't even care.
Will the maintenance
Jump.
droid please report to Sector 8? Maintenance droid to Sector 8.
Sure.
This is a reminder that there
I
is a
do
lockdown
remember this
at
area
Sector
kind of being a pain in the ass to get through.
Delta and Zulu. Please find a constructive way to occupy your time.
Okay, so there are no tortured souls, but be careful of them. Spotlights, they are tight sword domes impenetrable defense system.
Oh, these guys, the fucking huge ones, they'll give you a shit ton of XP, but you're gonna take a lot of damage if you ever get hit by one. I'm kind of determined to see what I mean, but I'd rather not use any more nanotech than necessary. Oh shit, it's right next to the spotlight, so that's not good. Got to be careful. I gotta be very careful here. Got it. There's one. They're in the gravity blue lamp too? 10,000 volts. Oh, Jesus. Okay, hold up. Because I'm gonna need this. Dancing on the ceiling. Oops. Not this. Pro. This weapon here might be really good in a bush. Oh! Oh! Oh shit!
Security breach. Sector 1.
Light got too close to me. Okay. These bolts here. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Hello. This is a long one. But I think this one's not really that bad. Could be a lot worse. Go right here. Jesus, this one's long. Longest one we have yet. Okay. Oh, I could use either end. That's fine. That's fine.
Attention all inmates. The Empire has officially suspended all parole until the Lombax threat has been neutralized. Additionally, pardons will no longer be offered to inmates of Lombax descent.
That's not fair. Considering I just blew up one of your big ass enforcers. Oh shit balls. Oh, that's good.
Please report to the Green Visitors Gate. You took your wife's keys to work.
Hi, where are my keys at? Your wife, your husband took them. That's right. That's right. How do I get over there? I don't even recall. Getting really close to upgrading this weapon.
He's heading towards the C3 elevator. Engage the laser grid. Here it is, dead meat. Our entry point to the main cell block. Once you hack the elevator controls, you'll be able to hurl yourself down this dark elevator shaft.
I don't know which one, but... Uh-oh. Oh, shitballs. Multiple paths. Okay. I do not think this through. But we're gonna do it. Five. Oh yeah. Oh, that's not the elevator. Oh, it's that other one. I was like, which one? Good try. Yes.
This is a reminder that the
There's the other
defense grid will experience downtime
gold
while
bolt.
we perform scheduled maintenance. We apologize for any inconvenience.
I'll get over here. Alright. Very easy collectibles getting so far. Here's this other one. Two of these. Oh, two of these. Now you're making it interesting. And again, either ending, I'll still get it.
Should be smooth sailing from here.
You're saying what, Quark?
Like taking candy for the baby. It's almost too easy. Like a walk in the park.
Yeah, when you dodge.
That was a dummy. Nothing wrong.
You're overreacting, Quark. Sector 11. Oh yeah, another weapon upgraded.
Congratulations! You have upgraded to the Nitro Reaper. This modification will temporarily freeze your enemies as it deals damage.
That's good to know. Oh no, you don't. Son of a bitch. Yeah. I could, but I'm decided to be nice today. Okay.
Welcome to the Clone Weapon Shop.
Okay.
Bada bing, bada boom.
More damage. Yeah. I'm gonna stop this thing. Cryptor. Of course. Okay, so I really have to deep think in this one. Okay. Going up. You're making it too easy. It's like elementary. Oh, god damn it, I did the wrong one. Oh, god damn it, I went the wrong way. Oops. They started this one in a very inconvenient spot, I must say. Keep the ball steady. Fucked with the wrong Lombax.
sure know how to impress a girl.
Are you kidding? We used to do this all the time back on Kerline.
We did.
Wait, how did you even know we were here? Never mind. Come on, we have to break Logan's out.
Attention inmate number 979B.
Oh, hell no.
You're in violation of Zordon Statute 36.
Sorry, Talon. Down, motherfucker. I got you.
Come on, it's right this way.
Alright. Come on, come out wherever you are.
Attention inmate number 979B. This is your last warning. Surrender
You're not
your
playing
weapon and continue.
any of this invisible bullshit today. Not today. Let's get some good use out of this negotiator.
We need to split up. I'll head to the holding chamber to free my friends. We'll radio you when we're clear.
Sounds good. I'm turning myself into nobody. I'd probably turn myself into my own farts. Oh, shitballs. Oh, perfect timing. Alpha Disruptor for the win. Yeah, surprise.
Inmate number 133. Please
Say
report
my
to
negotiator.
Do we have any? Present.
Whoa! Ah, shit. He totally cheap shotted me. That's not fair.
That's where the door's locked. Come on, it's right this way.
Okay. Going up. Say my negotiator. Let's see if we can get this fully upgraded now.
Attention inmate number 979B. This is your last warning. Surrender your weapon and place your hands on
Get away from her.
We need to split up. I'll head to the holding chamber to free my friends. We'll
You'll see me turn myself into my own farts. Nice.
Please report to torture chamber 7. We have a present.
That's bullshit and you know it. Suck my fat one. Come on, motherfucker. Let's go. Perfect time.
Congratulations. You have upgraded to the fusion bomb. Each bomb now contains 4 mini bombs that home in on enemies.
Oh, that's good. That's just perfect. Is that all you got? playing around today. Oh good, Hollow Plan. Number 8. Let's go. And we were told that this is a Rhino 4 Hollow Plan. Alright. Awesome.
Spectacular news, Deadmeat. While you were lounging around Zordoom, I managed to steal the coordinates to Kerchu City Rhino Tachion's personal computer. I'm uploading the data to your ship. Don't worry about thanking me, Deadmeat. You do all the day's work for this superhero. Work out.
Coordinates acquired for planet Jacindu.
Thanks, Quark. That will actually be useful.
Looks like I was just in time. I found Gronk and Zephyr in a scrap compressor. We'll meet up with you once the coast is clear. Good luck.
Thanks, Talon.
Ratchet.
Will do. Alright, that was actually relatively smooth. So, next time we're going to be looking at Planet Jacindu, finding Kerchu City. Of course, there's always a twist, so never get too comfortable with this game, folks. Until then, have a great one, guys, and I will see you next time.